Hello, welcome to JHC Star Product channel. Today, I would like to introduce three very powerful products from the NVIDIA Jetson Orin family, the BRAV-7120, 7121, and the BRAV-7134. And these models integrate NVIDIA's latest CPU, GPU architectures, model building tools, and a complete software stack. With a computing power range from 20 to 275 TOPS, they can cover almost all mainstream models on the market. And here, you can see the BRAV-7121 and BRAV-7134 on display. First, let's start with the BRAV-7120, which share a compatible enclosure with the BRAV-7121. Built on the Jetson Orin Nano platform, it offers 20 to 40 TOPS of AI performance and only consume 10 to 20 watts, which is an excellent balance between performance and energy efficiency. It comes with 6 Cortex-A78AE CPUs and NPN architecture GPU. You can choose between 4 or 8 GB of memory, and it supports NVMe storage. And this device can decode up to 11 channels of 1080p video at 30 FPS, which is great for handling multiple streams. Plus, it offers a range of I/O interfaces for storage, internet, and video connection, and even has a wireless module option. If you take a look at the back, you will see 4 antenna mounts, and on the side, there's a slot for micro SD and SIM cards, along with the expansion for GNSL daughter's cards. It also supports a wide input range of DC 9 to 36 volts, ensuring reliable performance across diverse environments. And next is the BRAV-7121, and which is a step up from the BRAV-7120 and designed on the Jetson Orin NX platform. Its computing power increases to 70 to 100 TOPS with a power consumption of just 25 watts. It features 6 to 8 core CPUs with a memory option of 8 or 16 GB and also supports NVMe storage and rich I/O interfaces. And it supports encoding 12 channels and decoding 18 channels of 1080p video at 30 FPS. Finally, let's move on to our flagship model, the BRAV-7134. And it is powered by the Jetson HGX Orin 32 or 64 GB module with an 8 or 12 core ARM CPU and high-performance GPU, and delivering up to 200 to 275 TOPS of AI performance. It comes with a 32 or 64 GB of memory and 64 GB of storage. It supports 2 NVMe storage and can easily expand to include a 6-port gigabit Ethernet switch and GNSL expansion card. Additionally, it also supports DC 9 to 36 volt input and operates in temperatures from -30 to 80 degrees, ensuring stability even in extreme environments. Whether your needs are for high computing power or harsh environmental conditions, the BRAV-7134 can handle it all with ease. In summary, the JHC Bravo Series H controllers built on the NVIDIA Jetson Orin platform deliver outstanding performance. A key advantage is that applications developed on Orin NX or Orin Nano can be seamlessly transferred to the Orin HGX system, reducing the validation and the deployment time and cost while boosting efficiency. And these products are highly suited for various edge computing scenarios, such as roadside or in-vehicle devices for intelligent transportation, AGV or ANR in smart logistics, machine vision, and AI applications. And hope this video can help you better understand our products. and thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. And see you next time. Bye bye.